There is so much hue and cry on a social media about lead. People are shouting on top of their breath about lead generation method, strategic lead generation systems, and many other jargons. But no one is saying anything about lead conversions. The real business will happen only when these leads will convert into a paying clients. You will earn your commissions only when these leads buy from you. As an entrepreneur or as a salesperson, do you also feel the same? Do you get frustrated when these leads don't convert into the client? If your answer is yes, then watch this full video. Namaskar, my name is Rohit Kashyap, sales growth expert, and you're watching Monday Morning Sales Tip. We help you to grow your business by making sales easy and comfortable. So if you are interested in learning the latest and the greatest sales marketing tools, tips, tricks, then make sure, and if you are new to this channel, then you may want to consider subscribing our channel, Resilient Rohit. So you will be the first one to know when a new video is released or get. So let's get started. I am sure that you have read many articles and seen many videos where people are talking about lead generation. That is just a tip of an iceberg. Is the sales cycle. The real game started after that. Once you get a lead, now what to do? How to convert them into a real paying clients? To know how to convert these leads into deal, and watch this full video. First, let us clarify the difference between leads, prospects, and clients. Since they are used as left and right in the sales and marketing world, many people don't understand the difference between them. What is a lead and how does it differ from prospect and client? Lead is just a name of a person or a business or a company that you get. Sometimes you get little more information about them, like their email ID or a telephone number. When you search more information about them, about their demographics, their regions, like, dislike, etc., they becomes a little bit more into a prospect. So a prospect client is someone who meets a particular set of criteria. If they do end up meeting these standards, you can label them as a potential client who is ready for your sales pitch. You can think of this whole identification process as a sales prospecting. Your prospects clients varies depending on your industries and the target market. What products or service do you sell? What does the sales process look like for you? What type of sales are you looking for in an ideal world? In other words, they are quite literally your prospective customers. But regardless of any of that, prospecting should always be the initial step when you want to make a sale. Here are the 5 steps how to turn prospects into clients. We are the wheelers and the dealers of turning each prospect client into an actual one. That's the kind of information you need. You want to save time and hard-earned revenue on putting your resource into a right customers. So let's get into 5 steps to transform your prospect into the clients or leads to deal. Step number 1, find your target customer. Who is your target customer? This is the fundamental question that you should ask yourself. Because if you are running behind everyone, you can't catch any one of them. But if you are focused on very few, you can concentrate on them. Let's take an example of doctors of different. So there are doctors for different types of diseases, and they are called specialists in their area because they treat them. Like we have ortho who treat bone and joint diseases. Then we have other doctors like cardiologists, diabetologists, gynecologists, and so on. They all are termed as specialists in their field and they earn more than a general physician. Same way, if you are in business or in sales, you have to find your specialty and according to find your market and a target audience or the target customer. So when I say a target customer, we don't mean just their first name or their email address. You need to focus on their like, dislike, demography and the other assets. Conduct a deep research on all those minute details that make up their buying decisions. And target your selling efforts to measure up to those details. Take into account what they want to buy, how much they want to spend on it, and when they want it. Also, objectively analyze your efforts to see if they stack up to a client expectation. Step number 2, nurture your prospect. A survey conducted by Demand Generation reported nurtured lead produces on an average 20% increase in a sales opportunity versus non-nurtured lead. Engage through nurturing. That is a vital practice to turn client prospect into a paying client. It also is the best practice to follow through your client in a sales funnel. Keep in touch with them. Here is how you can do a lead nurturing. Maintain contact until their need to buy matches your desire to sell. You could give them a phone call or send a newsletter with upcoming events and company changes. It could be a white paper, ebook, how-to tips, videos, insight, a brief interaction via social media, or invite them for a seminar or a webinar. Whatever your method to communicate with and nurture them, just be sure to make it clear to them that they are your top priority. Step number 3, tell them the return on investment. While your product, service or company as a whole increases your prospect clients' ROI, that is return on investment, does it have a potential to do so? If your answer is yes, there is no reason to sit back and relax with that information. Remind them of that potential. Everyone wants to feel like that. They invest in them and write back. Is today a good day to increase your revenue? When you pose a question like that, it does not just remind them that you have a tailored solution for their problem. It also tells them that your solution will lead to uptake in monetary reward. In turn, you closes sales. Step number 4, offer freebies. Yes, a free trial, a discounted membership fee, a complimentary gift with your purchase. We all love freebies. Don't tell me that you don't like that. We all interact positively to freebies as a human. We all are attracted towards the word free, irrespective who we are. And a gift, an order or a discount for the next time someone shops with it. If a prospect sees that they are more likely to turn into a loyal customers, and you don't have to make your freebies expensive. A free book download works, or as well as 15% birthday discount or a marriage anniversary discount. Give them free demos. If you are a consultant, you can give them 30 minutes free consultation. Conduct free survey and share the results so that it helps them to take a decision. Conduct free audits, and there are so many other things you can think of according to your industry. Step number 5, forget the traditional style. Yes, the hard selling technique. A report by Lynette Rials and Ian Davis in Harvard Business Review says that 63% of the salesman are behaving in a ways that drive down their performance. That means most of the salesmen do not know what they are doing that is pulling down their performance. Yes, they don't know. They are using a hard selling technique, which is a traditional style, and sales consists to be primitive. It went as a door-to-door salesman as an effective strategy, but it goes like a dinosaur's age too. Today, the modern buyer is smart and does not have time for pressure-heavy or annoying sales techniques. Pushiness is usually a symptom of exaggerating the truth, and a prospect will walk right out the door when they figure out that you are not being trustworthy. Instead, practice patience and value relationships over a quick sale without long-term benefits for either of you. So in conclusion, we have mentioned earlier that you might not know very much about the sales leads. After all, they are unqualified. Industry experts say sets of the people as far as background information goes. But why does it have to be that way? Why do some people have unqualified leads for extended period of time? Means you are wasting your time on the people who will not buy from you anyway. It doesn't have to be that way. We make sure of it. We offer you a customized modern selling system so that you can increase leads, improve sales training, and recruit top talent to your business. But unlike other companies, we make sure you do not have to sacrifice an extra penny of that unique formula that make your business and convert leads to deals. That's because we have a secret sauce of your success and profitable growth, and we are ready to share it with you. I love to hear from all of you. How do you convert your leads to a paying clients? Leave a comment below. I will be sure to follow up with you. I would appreciate if you comment below what are the other topics you want I should make a video on, and also check other video that I have linked here. I'm sure they will help you to increase your sales. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then give a like and a thumbs up, and if you don't, then dislike it. But make sure of subscribing our channel Resilient Rohit and ring the bell to get the notification whenever we upload a new video. Please share this video with your family, friends, colleague as much as you can, and also to those whom you think can be benefited. Remember, if you want to change the status quo, you have to take action, and take action right now. See you next Monday. Till then, happy selling. Sharing is caring.